Sanbanani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off Kwambambo. Umandulo is speaking with Uvuma. They were sitting in the lounge. They're just having a casual conversation. This is when they hear a knock, or should I say a bang, on the door, and few seconds later, Usipho rushes in. Remember Pella guys, yesterday the episode ended with Usamke sending Usipho ukuthi must go and call abantu bakwambambo because she has finally caught Isangoma, who is responsible for what happened to Umbali. So Usipho angene guys is like sanbonan uyabonakala ukuthi he's in a hurry guys. Umandulo is like ayibo wena yini wenze njani wangena ubaleka nje la endlini. Uvuma zakhe uwe lo oshaya umnyango ungathi iphoyisa wena. Usipho is like ngiyaxolisa abantu abadala ukuniphazamisa kodwa baba uyadingeka embalenhle. Umandulo is like hayibo abazi yini ukuthi uMageza usanda buya esibhedlela. Usipho is like mina ngithunywe u-Aunt Samke. Uvuma wansi yazi ukuthi uthunywe u-Samke. Is like angilapho mina. Usipho is like hawu baba ngobani ibalekile lento. Uvuma is like angilibeki lapho mina. Usipho is like baba ngiyacela. Uvuma goes on to say ukuthi awungizwa ukuthi ngithini wena awulaleli wena yini le engaka sokuthiwa mina ukuthi angishiya izinto zami engizenzayo la ekhaya manje ngiphuthume embalenhle. Then Usipho says baba, this is about u-Aunt Mbali neSangoma, and you can just see everyone is surprised, you guys. Next scene we see Uvuma and his family. They are Ambalenhle guys. Hello Ambalenhle, it's the Mbambo family, uSamke, uNdombela. It's people of the community. Bahlalisele sisangoma phansi. The community is ready to finish and hit the Sangoma because of what he did. Uvuma's like wenzeni. Isangoma is busy saying ukuthi nomzana. Uvuma's like wenzeni. Sangoma zathi cha nomzane ngingachaza ukuthi kwakukhona iphutha nje bengisemncane ngizifunela imali yabona izinto ukuthi mawusemncane ufuna nje ukuthi uziphandele nje nkosi yami. He goes on to say ukuthi engikushoyo nomzamo shuthi isandla sami overpoured umuthi, meaning that he was mixing umuthi for Umbali and he overpoured or something like that. While he's saying that, the crowd goes mad ukuthi like ayibo kanjani, like how are you Sangoma and you make such mistakes. Sangoma goes on to say ukuthi yiphutha but wiyiphutha waba yiphutha nje. He goes on to say ukuthi ngaleyo ndlela like I mixed too many herbs. And that's how Umbali lost her life, that he mixed too many herbs. Kusho ukuthi bekazizamela izinto zakhe laphayana chance guys ezizamela imali yakhe. The crowd is like how ini busy making a noise. Isangoma goes on to say ukuthi nami ke waphambana ke because these were my herbs and like nganikeza abantu abaningi ama-clients amaningi the same mixture ngayinikeza Umbali and these other clients basaphila nanamhlanje. He goes on to say ukuthi ngiyaxolisa nkosi yami ngiyaxolisa nkosi yami nomzane I mixed izinto nje that I can't even remember ngeke ngitshele wamanje ukuthi what was it kodwa ngiyaxolisa nomzane wami. Usibongile, she's there in the crowd guys. She's like wabulala uma wami yazi kubuhlungu kanjani ukhulungana mama impilo yami. She starts crying there guys and everyone is just silent at this point. She says impilo yami ibheke phansi njengamanje, yonke into empilweni yami ibheke phansi kungenxa yakho nje. Into engiyishoyo she says ukuthi into ongayishoyo wena ukuthi uyaxolisa yona nto ozoyisho lokho ukuthi uyaxolisa uzombuyisa umama nokho. Then ke the guy Sangoma says ukuthi cala ningiphi ithuba ngichaze. Usibongile goes on to say ukuthi ngifisa ngathi ungasha engathi ungashela esihogweni, and she's crying there guys. Uvuma goes on to say ukuthi wangibulala ngiphila wena. The Sangoma is like nomzane ngingachaza. Uvuma's like I had just gotten married wamthatha wena with your evil herbs. Then the sangoma says, bengazi baba, not that my herbs are evil, like, bengazi, it would result in something like this. Mandulo goes on to say, olisa kwakho kuzosipholisa amanxeba, upholisa uqolisa kwakho kuzopholisa ubuhlungu lokhu esikuzayo kwamanje. Oh, guys, Umandulo, next thing she gets up, she wants to hit in sangoma. The crowd is like, Mshayeni. Hey, guys, Mandulo, they hold her. She's like, api la maphoyisa man, api. Bazoxosha le nto man. Then the scene just ends like that. At least, guys, they got their closure. At least to Samke, she cleared her name. But at the end of the day, Ngempela, it's not going to bring Umbali back. Next scene we see Uvuma and Musbongile. Looks like they're walking back home. They're walking from Mbalenhle. They're walking back home. So Sbongile is saying, Baba, kukwata wainga titi na baba sinama party. Njalo nje hlezi wenzeka izinto ezimbi kuthina, like why? Then Uvuma's like, ingane yami ngiyazi. As he's busy speaking to Sbongile, busy saying ngiyazi, uSamke's like, Vuma. Then Usamke comes closer. She's like, Baba ngicela, and then Usbongile catches on ukuthi that's her cue to leave them to speak. Usbongile then asks uthi Baba uzongidinga. Then Uvuma answers and says, hayi kulungile ngizokufitha ekhaya khululeka. Then Usbongile walks off. Usamke's like, angizuthatha isikhathi eside. Uzwile ngithi now that iqiniso seliphumile, ngiyazi ukuthi that's really what you wanted to hear. She goes on to say ukuthi now that everything is out, bengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ngeke sizame futhi. I'm just like, Samke, hayi bo. Like, I know ukuthi you want your man back, but don't you think it's too soon? She goes on to say ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi kuningi esidlule kuwona or kuningi that you've been through manje. Sengisho now that you know ukuthi my hands are clean, maybe ungabakhona, or maybe you can consider us getting back together because I've proved my innocence. Uvuma says, Samke, inhliziyo yami is broken. And shame, I get it, guys. Like the last thing, like for Samke, but anyway. Usamke's like, ngiyakuzwa. Then Uvuma goes on to say ukuthi kuthinteke amanxeba. Nje like uyabona Samke, ngiyabonga ukuthi ungiletheni lesi sangoma esikhohlakele kodwa. Usamke's like, okay, so does that mean ukuthi yasamkela isicelo sami? Uvuma says ukuthi kuningi engqondene nakho kwamanje. There's a lot esemqondeni wami nasenhlizweni yami. Kuningi nje ngibhekene nezinto nje eziningi, Samke. And then he walks off and he leaves her there. I do think Uvuma wants to go back to Samke, guys, but there's things that he needs to fix. Maybe he needs just time to heal nyana or something like that, because something is just not adding up. There one umfundo, guys, umfundo, she's looking depressed, laphayana, she's ironing, guys, and then there's a knock on the door. So she's wondering, who could this be? Because you can see she's not even in the mood for visitors or anything like that. Then Nomfundo's like, ngena. As she says ngena, kungena Sis Mavis. And then she's like, oh, Mavis. Then Mavis athi sawubona Ntombo. Nomfundo's like, ubewa yini lana Mavis. Mavis is like, ngithe athi ngizobheka phela. Nomfundo's like, bengithi ukuthi senigodukile niye emakhaya. Then Sis Mavis says, hamba ntambama namantombazane. We're leaving later on tonight. Then she's like, what busy nama aina sisi, like, aibo, ati nama plans wakho Christmas. Nomfundo's like, anginawo ama plans Christmas, especially now that boy yazini. Sis Mavis then responds and says, understand Avundo. I understand ukuthi boy is going to be spending Christmas nobaba wakhe nomndeni wakwaDlamini. She's like, kodwa Vundo bengithi ukuthi ngizokubheka nje before I left. Nomfundo's like, ngiyabonga mnganami. But you can see ukuthi Nomfundo is really not in the Christmas spirit, shame. And then Mavis is like, before I forget or kwakho lokhu. She takes out a gift bag. She passes it on to Nomfundo. She's like, ukuqhamuka buthemba, shame. Nomfundo Unomfundo's face, the way it lit up, guys, when Usis Mavis said that that present was coming from Uthemba. Yo, unomfundo's like, oh, Nkosi yami, umfanami akamkhohlwanga uma wakhe. She opens the gift, guys. It's like a necklace, a beautiful necklace. She's like, oh boy, oh kodwa mfanami, bengicela Mavis ukuthi ungibongele kuye. This is sad, you guys, because I know that Uthemba loves his mother, and I'm starting to think, does uPhetheni have a hand in the child not seeing Unomfundo as frequent as he wants to? Because I'm just like, it doesn't add up. Boy wants to be with his mother by all means, but they haven't spoken. He hasn't came to visit her. I'm just like, uPhetheni ukhohlakele ngale nto ayenzayo, guys. Anyway, unokhuzana-ke uMavis says ukuthi angeke akukhohlwe Mfundo, asoze akukhohlwe, like nguma wakhe. That's the honest truth, and that's an insecurity uNomfundo has, ukuthi ingane yakhe one day ukuthi uzomkhohlwa. Unomfundo's like, ngiyabonga. And then usis Mavis is like, you are welcome. Ungakhohlwa-ke sis ukuthi you are not alone. Unomfundo's like, hlala phansi-ke ngizowenzela itiye. Now she's all of a sudden in the mood. And then usis Mavis is like, hawu Mfundo, itiye nge-Christmas. Like, you're not even offering me shampoo, again, like itiye. And then the scene ends like that. But I do want to say, guys, concerning that when it comes to Christmas, not all of us are in the mood for Christmas. And some people are going through things. You might be going through losing a loved one, or the first Christmas without a mother, a father, a husband, a sister, whatever it is. And just know that you are not alone, even though you feel as if you are alone. Okay, next scene. Usibongile, she is at home. Usefonile, she's on a phone call. No wenzeni. She's carrying a gift. Usibongile is carrying a gift. So Usibongile, as she's speaking on the phone, uwenzeni is saying to Usibongile, sawubona Sibongile. Usibongile is like, yeah, wenzeni unjani? Ngithole ipasela lakho lana elivela kuwena namhlanje ekuseni. Uwenzeni is like, ngiyathemba ukuthi uzoyithanda-ke. And then Usibongile is like, yini vele lena? Uwenzeni is like, i-Christmas present yakho-ke, kodwa-ke uzoyibona kusasa when you open the gift. Usibongile is like, hayi yabona wena, habe uyisithandwa sami-ke wena. Uwenzeni is like, ungitshele kahle lokho kusasa once you've unwrapped the gift, because kungenzeka like you won't like it. Usibongile is like, hayi bo kahle ngiyazi ukuthi like ngizoyithanda nje whatever it is. She goes on to say ukuthi, hey kodwa wenzeni mina ngikutholanga angithengelanga lutho-ke. Wenzeni is like, hayi ayikho inkinga. Okwamanje-ke kodwa it doesn't mean ukuthi next year that I don't want a present. Ngiyayifuna i-present yami next year. Phela this is a family tradition. Kanti-ke nawe-ke you must get used to it because you are part of the family now. Then ulokhuzana Usibongile is like, hayi kuyezwakala khululeka usushilo-ke sis. Then wenzeni is like, yazi like ngiyajabula ukuthi ubhuti wami ukhethe wena ngaphezu kwaNomalanga. I'm just like, yabona bo sis abakhuluma kanje, like what do you mean? Why do you have to bring uNomalanga in? Anyway, wenzeni goes on to say, futhi-ke, I just thought of something else now. Ngicabanga ukuthi sekumele ukuthi ngidate-ke manje. Ayibo uwenzeni saying, guys, she's ready for dating. I'm like, nona ene-attitude kangaka towards her family and helpers. Imagine ukuthi umjona uzomenzani. So Usibongile says, yeah, wenzeni kahle-ke ngicela ukuthi unake iy'ncwadi zakho zesikolo, okunye nokunye you will see later. She goes on to say ukuthi angithi usabakhumbula B abawu-7. Wenzeni is like, yeah, ngiyazi Sibongile. Books before boys because boys bring babies. And then Usibongile is like, okay, good-ke. Lalela-ke ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much for the gift. Wenzeni is like, okay, and ngiyabonga nami. Then that scene ends. Kwadlamini guys unjengaye uThemba benowenzeni, they are decorating the Christmas tree laphayana. Kumnandi nje, you can see it's like there's a festive mood going on there in the Dlamini household. uThemba uphethe amagesti kusho ukuthi he's going to put it at the bottom of the Christmas tree or something like that. But uThemba's like, yazi ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngiyaqala nje ukubona izipho ezingaka. Uwenzeni is like, ngempela Wow, Mr. Exaggeration. I'm just like, wenzeni drama, unnecessary drama. Then uThemba's like, ngiqinisile nje. Unjengayi like, hayi bo yekani lento eniyenzayo nina nilokhu niphikisana. Themba, uzothatha leyo light uyidlulise kuwenzeni. Then uThemba says, yebo baba. Unjengayi says ukuthi, I want to see this tree light up nje yabo. Yeah-ke. uThemba's like, wait. He says this to Uwenzeni. He's like, wait, is this all you're gonna do to the Christmas tree? Yo, Uwenzeni is like, okay, tata, get me, Uwenzeke. I'm just like, these ones are like typical teenagers, guys, typical siblings that are just, they fight over the smallest thing. Unjenga is like, ay, Nina man, like, it's the festive season. Like, ne mood, timele ibe ne mood, timele ibe, we festive nayo, okay? Peteni walks into the lounge, okay? And then Njengayo goes over and he stands by her. Upeten is like, Indaba, all right? Then Njenga is like, yeah, ukuthi nje, like, I'm just not used to not having ukwenzo benovusi around this time of the year. Upeten is like, yeah, khona-ke izinto zehluke kakhulu kulo nyaka. Then uNjenga is like, yeah, like, I'm grateful nje mina ukuthi ukhona wena, indodana yami, nendodakazi yami. And uPeten is like, yeah, that's all that matters at this point. And then uNjenga is like, yeah, ngihappy nje. Then he says to uThemba, awuqhakaze lapho siboneke. uThemba puts the lights on, guys. He lights the Christmas tree. And then everyone's like, it looks so nice in Ili. Like it was a very cute type of scene. Next scene we see uNomfundo again, guys. She's still depressed when there's a knock on her door. Okay, ama PJs laphayana uyambona ukuthi akanamaplan ngempela. When she opens the door, guys, when she's going to open the door, she's like, I'm sure boy. Mele avula umnyango, usis Mavis, uThulisile, noNeli. They're like, Merry Christmas, bangene, guys, kuhlekwe. They hug her, guys. And it's just Mavis earlier on, she saw ukuthi uNomfundo was not okay. So she convinced amantombazana ukuthi they must go and have lunch, pre-Christmas lunch by Nomfundo's house. So bangene laphana usis Mavis is like, yeah, ngavuthola. And then uNomfundo is like, kodwa nina hithini into? And then uNeli is like, sizothi nje, injury to one is injury to all. Mavis is like, sakuthola, guys, it was so nice. Balethe ukudla. They brought a tablecloth. They put a tablecloth. They brought chicken, everything. Shem, you could see ukuthi uNomfundo, like, she was so happy, you guys. Next thing kwambambo uVuma, we see him uzamisa itiye lakhe laphayana, guys. uNovuma, he's looking depressed as well. So Mandula, she comes in and she's like, Makeza. And then uVuma says, oh, dadewethu. Then uMandula says, yini Makeza, wenze njani? uVuma says, hey sis, yazi esikhathini esakudala umuntu mekabhekene nezivunguvungu wayekwazi ukuthi aphuthume entabeni abuye senempendulo. Mandula laughs and she's like, Makeza, usenawo yini amadolo okuthi uphuthume uye entabeni uyofuna impendulo lezo? Kodwa-ke, I just want you to know ukuthi bhuti, ukuthi ngila nje, like, njengoba ngilana njengodadewenu, I'm here to hold your hand kuyo yonke into. You've been through so much in such a short period of time. And she goes on to say ukuthi unayo kodwa nje indlela to solve all of this. uVuma says, hey Makeza, kade nje ngicabanga la mhlampe umuntu fanele aye endlini yabantu abadala ngiyokhuluma noMbali ngakho konke nje. Mandula says, hey, yabazi-ke okhokho bethu ukuthi uyabazi ukuthi banjani, bavele benze izinto ngolaka, mhlampe vele everything that's been happening to you, and uSibongile uyena uMbali ozama ukuthi aziveze ukuthi nimlalele. uVuma zakhe ingakho-ke sisi uzofanele ukuthi ngiyoshweleza ngimncenge uMbali ukuthi ahlise ulaka. And then uMandulo says ukuthi maybe you'll even find a solution to all of this by doing that. Guys, next thing abo Mamvi, abo sis Mavis sebeyabuya, they are back in the Dlamini household. kumnandi kuyahlekwa, they are back from uSisi Nomfundo and they coming in laughing ukuthi hey bokumnandi. So uPhetheni is like wondering ukuthi hayi kuhlekani kwamnandi kangaka. So uPhetheni approaches them, she's like, how kanti nikhona? Mina bengithi ukuthi senigodukile, bengicabanga ukuthi hayi aniwafuna amabhonus wenu nawashiya nje, aniwafuna amabhonus wenu we-Christmas. Bahleke bathi kanjani madam, singawashiya kanjani amabhonus? uThini is like, how kanjani madam, ngoba phela besihambile siyodla i-Christmas lunch nje kwaSisi Nomfundo. As she sings Sisi Nomfundo, the others guys, they just sing at bafuna you know, like to tell her ukuthi Thulisile, don't say that. So now it's awkward, everyone's quiet. uPhetheni is like, no, ayikho inkinga, ningalisho lelo phama because yabona umngani wenu vele. So uWenzeni comes in and she's like, oh konje namhlanje ke ngifuna ukunitshela ukuthi ubani owinile kwi-swimming contest. Remember they had a swimming contest. uLokhuzana uPhetheni said whoever's the best swimmer is going to win the TV plus bazothola ama-voucher. So uWenzeni is like, umuntu owinile uSis Mavis. Then everyone claps, okay? Then after that, uPhetheni, she gives them their envelopes, guys. Amabhonus wabo bawavule, guys. They were so excited. They were more than happy with that. Yo, uThulisile, she jumps. Ahaku met them. Siyabonga, inkini. And then uPhetheni is like, ay, bonga mina. You guys should have a good Christmas. Merry Christmas. Last scene, guys, we see uVuma, guys, he's at the hut. Leya abantu abadala where they balayita impepho yabo and do their stuff. So uhleli laphayana uVuma weKhukho. He's sitting with uSibongile, with uSangweni, Benovelephi, and uMandulo. So uVuma laphayana, guys, he's speaking kuneLokhuzana bayilayitile. That what is it called? I forgot. Okay, with impepho, yes, balayite impepho. So he's speaking there. uVuma's like Mbali. Nkosikazi wami. Vuma bakushoyo lana. Ngihamba noSibongile, noSisi Mandulo, noVelephi, noSangweni. Size ngokuthula and in humbleness. Siyalivuma iphutha ukuthi we were ignorant, even when there were signs that were clear. Manje ke we realized ukuthi awulelanga ngokuthula, kodwa ke namhlanje njengoba silana kuyisiqalo lokhu to make things to make amends, ukuthi silungise izinto. He goes on to say ukuthi sizokwenza konke okusemandleni ethu ukuze silungise izinto sikuhloniphe. Ngiyacela sithandwa sami ukuthi wehlise ulaka sizolungisa izinto. That time le phansi, guys, kunophuthu with spinach on a plate. There's apples, there's orange, kunesnef, cool drink, there's biscuits, kunomqombothi laphayana. So I don't really understand why they put those things, but I guess they put the person's favorite stuff or something like that. So I've heard. So he goes on to say ukuthi bengicela ukuthi wehlise ulaba uSibongile. She's going through a lot kanti ke usemncane akanamandla uSibongile. So bengicela ukuthi uSibongile ukuthi wehlise ulaka abuye, and then he turns to uSibongile, says, Sibongile ukhuluma noma wakho. Sibongile then says, mama, usenhlizweni yami ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngithemba ukuthi now that we're here, if you will finally rest in peace. She says ukuthi siyacela mama ukuthi usibusise with progress in our life. Ngiyakuthembisa mama ukuthi angisoze ngakukhohlwa. And then the episode just ends like that, you guys. Well, guys, that was the recap of the latest episode. Let's see on Christmas Day what gets to happen for them, which is, I guess, today for you guys. If you did get to listen to the video at this part, guys, Merry Christmas. Please do stay safe. Please don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe. Please do watch the ads. And I'll see you guys on the next one.